Hello guys and welcome to our next video of character modeling. So in the previous video we have imported our character and we were supposed to do animations from that character. So what are we going to do right now is we are going to drag this character on our hierarchy panel. So you can see that here's our character. Just let me just rotate it to 180 degrees. Now that character is facing towards us. So let me drag it a bit down. Yeah. So you can see that this is our character, and when we hit play, yeah, when we hit play, it doesn't do anything. So why it doesn't do? Because we have to add animations to it. So you can see that in the inspector panel of this character, we are provided with Animator Controller, but we haven't attached any animated controller to this character. So you might be thinking how we can attach Animator Controller. So what we have to do is we have to make a new Animator Controller to control this character. So go back to a 3D character and go to animations. You just right click on your project tab and create, and go to create animator controller. There you go. I will hit it walk. We don't have walk animation, but still I'm writing. Okay, forget it. We can write it as closing. Okay, so this is our closing animation. Sorry, closing animator controller. So this is my animator controller window, and if you don't know how to get animator controller window, go to Windows and animator, right? You get it, animator, or you can go to add a tab and animation or we already have an animator tab, so it won't show you. So animation tab we don't have, so we can add animation tab. So I'll just go to my animator and maximize it so that you can see this is a basic animator window which you will be able to see if you have followed all my steps correctly. I'll just minimize this. Now what we have to do is, if you have a standard asset of Unity, you can apply that animation to this character. I will show you in the video later on how you can apply standard asset animations to this character. First of all, we have animations to this character already attached. You can see them playing. So I'll attach this animation to that character so that you'll be able to understand it much better. Okay, there you go. When you extend it, just drag it a bit up so that I can see. Here you can see that this is the animation which Mixamo has provided us. So I'll just drag it and drop it to our animator controller window and maximize it. So what is this? This is our animation which Mixamo has provided us. So yeah, I think this animation is empty. Let me just check and I'll go through all the process again. No, that animation is not empty. Right? No, because if it would be empty, it hasn't made that animation. So we have what we have did is we have taken this animation clip and dragged it to our animator. Now we have our animator ready. So what we'll do is go to animations, and there we go, and we just drag and drop this animator to this empty space. And now if I hit a play, I hope this might be running perfectly. Yeah, you can see that this animation is running perfectly. Yeah. So I would like to tell you something which is very important for animation point of view. Now you can see that this orange mark here, it says that this is our default state. Whenever you drag one object or one animation, you will have that as a default state. So you can see this. If you want this clip not to be a default state, I'll just show you. You just press Ctrl D to duplicate. Now I have another animation clip same as above. So what I want this state, this animation clip to be our default state. So what I will do is I'll just right click on that animation and make it a default state. So now this one becomes our default state. So this shows that our entry point will be from this animation clip to the rest animation clip which we have not yet attached. So if you want this animation to go to another animation or switch to another animation, what you have to do is you just right click on this animation or any animation clip you want, make a transition, and you can see that I have an arrow here. So what I'll do is I want this animation to be attached or to be moving towards this animation. So I just click on it. So you can see that this arrow is heading towards this animation. So from this point, from entry point to this default state animation 0 and to the next state animation. So I'll just show you how this works with clicking on the character, and I'll just make it done. So now I have this one. I'll just make it, let's maximize it, and I hit play. Now you can see that this animation clip is playing. This is our default state, and then it switches back to this animation. Hold on, I'll just, this is a problem, let's not switching to this animation. It should go to that animation. Wait, hold on, let's make another transition from here to here, and then check. And this, no. So I guess this is not looped, so that's why it's not playing this one. So we'll loop it, no issue, we'll loop it. Model, and here we go. Yeah, you can see that this is not looped. So this is how you can, I will go through that process in the next video. So this is how you can attach a simple animation to your character or any other character which you get it from the internet. One more important thing I would like to tell you that whenever you click on this model, you see that this model is generic. So what we have to do, if we want to apply our our animation, so we can go and make it humanoid and click apply. So now if I click and play, I will see that this animation is still playing. Why humanoid? Because we want this character to function as human being. So that's all for this time, and we will see in the next video, and I'll show you how you can choose your standard animation to this character. So see you in the next video. Thank you.